So guys, this short video is to show you around Binance app, especially P2P trading. I will show you some filters you have to set up so to ensure that you trade with only verified users. The first step, of course, is to make sure that you yourself you have a verified Binance account irrespective of the country. So you open your Binance app and then you click on P2P trading. Either you are buying or selling, either it is BTC, BNB, USDT or BUSD. All you have to do once you are on the P2P page is to locate the filter. The filter is here at the right. Then you click on filter. You choose your payment method. There are a lot of them, so for me you choose bank transfer. And then the most important filter is to show ads from merchant. You switch it on, then you confirm. And doing this makes sure that you only trade with Binance verified users in case there are problems or troubles with your transaction. So guys, after setting up your filter, you can then proceed to buy or sell on the Binance P2P. All you have to do is read the limits and then determine the vendor you will be choosing to trade with. You take a scroll. You could use any vendor depending on their rates at your own discretion. After you are ready to buy or ready to sell, you click on the buy or the sell button. After doing that, you enter the amount you are willing to sell, and then you click on the sell button. After this, you need to make sure to follow every laid out rules from Binance to ensure that you have a successful trade. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Have beautiful trades. Good luck.